What's up, guys? Jordan here from Show Me Vegas with another episode of the by now world famous Show Me Vegas walking tour. I love doing these tours, especially when it's a newer to me property. This is Sahara, Las Vegas, and I'm staying here tonight. I can't wait to show you around this entire property. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to start this one outside main valet, but valet here is not actually near the hotel lobby. It's actually at this more prominent strip entrance. This is a beautiful first impression. As always, I'm going to use the map to help show you around. Normally I like to go right on these tours, but we're going to go left because I like the flow of this casino if we go left. That'll take us to the lobby last. If you enter here on the strip side, first thing you're going to come across is Chickies and Pete's Crab House and Bar. Right next to that is the William Hill Sportsbook. The betting desk is actually inside this restaurant. This is a chain restaurant. It's kind of the sports book and sports bar here at Sahara. I've always wanted to eat here, and I think I'm going to tomorrow. This gives you a good overall look at the casino floor. Just about 50,000 square feet here, which is relatively small, but this is a kind of a small property. 1,616 rooms. If you're curious, 50,000 square feet is about the same size as the casinos at New York, and Treasure Island. Both of which I've also covered here on the Show Me Vegas walking tour. Immediately to our left here now is the Noodle Den. Pretty good selection of restaurants here for a smaller property. Right next to the Noodle Den is Bala Italian Soul. I've heard a lot of good things about this restaurant. Again, I've never had the opportunity to eat there. And then back here in the corner, you've got, of course, Bizarre Meat by Jose Andres. Now, by the time you see this restaurant might not be here anymore. It is closing here at Sahara, and it's moving to the Venetian. I ate in there last night, had a phenomenal meal. The bartender did tell me that they hope to be open at the Venetian by the end of March 2025. All right, let's get back out into the casino. If it looks a little dead in here, and I'm sure it does, it's because it's about 9 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. That's when I really like to do these. Fewer people in the shots, less intrusive. Over here to my left is the high limit room. High limit slots right there. High limit tables right here. There are people playing, so I'm not going to pan in there. We've already passed the bulk of the casino because, like I said, not a huge property. Let's go left. I'll show you the poker room. The poker room, like the casino, is very small here, but I love the decor. I love those chairs. The red, brown, earth tones. Nice screens for watching sports. Over here on this side are the escalators that go up to the Magic Mike Live Theater. No need for us to go up there, but trust me, it's there. Right at the base of those is the cashier. Pretty good selection of slots here, although I will say, I said on another video that there are no old school slots here almost at all, and there's very little video poker, I noticed. We'll come back through here in a minute, but let's keep going on down to the hotel lobby. On the way, we're going to pass by a few things. Over here to the left is Zephyr's Cafe. That's essentially the breakfast restaurant here at the hotel. Right next to that is Uno Mas, Street Tacos and Spirits. Mexican fare. They have a great tequila selection in there, as well as margaritas, of course. And right back on the other side over here, this is the entrance to the Asilo Ultra Pool. If you want to see what this looks like, check out the video about my stay here. This is a really cool, I'd say underrated pool experience here in Las Vegas. It's 21 and up only, but you don't have to be a hotel guest to get in there. Free entry for anyone, 21 or over. All right, as we head toward the lobby, I'll show you these. These are some of the coolest LED screens inside a casino that I've seen. These are awesome. And then a cool touch here at Sahara, they have all these historical photos. I love these. Sahara has a rich tradition. The Rat Pack performed here. They've got more of them on the other side. Alright, let's continue on toward the lobby. Over here on the right, these are the elevators to the Blanca Tower. There are 3 hotel towers here, Blanca, Alexandria, and Mara. Elevators to the Blanca Tower are right down this little hallway. Those are the closest to the casino floor, but none of them are far. Right here we've got a Starbucks on the right. Surprisingly not very busy for 9 o'clock in the morning, although like I said, it is a Tuesday. And then over on this side is Prendy, pastries, salads, and focaccia. They've got sandwiches, salads, pastries. They have long hours. It's open like 4 p.m. to 4 a.m. Over this way is the entrance to the Alexandria Tower. The Alexandria elevators are over here. One thing I really love is this picture of the Beatles. The Beatles actually stayed in this tower in 1963. They were too famous to gamble in the main casino, so they asked that some slot machines be brought up to their room. And right there, you've got it. Also right here by the Alexandria Tower is the entrance, or I should say exit, out to the monorail station. Sahara does have the northernmost stop on the Las Vegas monorail system. Let's go into the Alexandria Tower real quick. Got this lounge here. I'm not sure exactly what's going on in there, but we won't snoop. I'll take you back here so you can see how to get to the Alexandria Pool. Here's the Alexandria elevators. And then if you want to go to the Alexandria Pool, you've got to go outdoors. Real briefly, to get to that pool, you just come out this exit, you go in those doors, up an elevator to the 4th floor, and you're there. That's the family pool here. It's very small. All right, let's head back and continue on to the lobby. We come back out by Starbucks and Prendy, and we're going to keep going left. Right over here on the left is the Tangier. That's essentially the lobby bar here. Very cool environment in here, and they also have daily 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. $10 whiskey sour. Show you, I love the bar in here. This kind of gives me vibes of The Shining in the ballroom, Stanley Kubrick's version. Really cool. And then straight across from that is just a lobby seating area. It's designed really nicely. This could be a cocktail lounge in and of itself, but actually it's just lobby seating. All right, now we're getting close to the main lobby. The bell desk is over to my right. The hotel gift shop is right over here. It's called Etc. Run you in there real quick. Because I thought this the other day, as chic and modern as this hotel is, they've got this plywood thing going on in here, which is, it's kind of cool. All right, continuing on. We're almost to main registration. These are the doors where you'll be dropped off if you're staying here. You're taking a cab or an Uber or a Lyft, you're going to be dropped off right here. Right next to main registration, which is really pretty. Not very large by Vegas standards, but again, only 1,600 or so rooms here. I love the desert tones. Not exactly a Moroccan theme left here at the hotel, but definitely a little bit of a desert motif. And then right back here are the elevators to the Mara Tower. That's where I'm staying, furthest from the casino, but the walk really isn't bad. And just to show you, let's zip on back out to the casino. All right, back out to the edge of the casino floor. Pardon our appearance, new enhancements coming soon. I don't know if that's going to be a lounge or a restaurant or what. It's kind of a small space, so I'm going to guess a bar, maybe a retail shop. All right, we came from that way earlier. We're going to go left this time, and it's going to take us right back to where we came from at the beginning of this tour. Here on the left, you're going to find Casbar. That is the casino bar here, and it's named after a theater that was here at the old Sahara way back in the 50s and 60s. That's quite easily the most happening place nightlife-wise here on the property. And as we come back around, the last thing we see before we get back to the doors is the Infinity Rewards Desk. That's their Players Club. It is independent, not affiliated with any other on the strip. Right back out to main valet. I love the fountain out here. This is a beautiful porte cochere. Main valet is right here in the middle. And right over there, entrance to the parking garage and rideshare pickup. And that's pretty much it. And that's it for this one, guys. Like I said, not a huge property, but a very nice one, especially for a budget hotel. If you want to see what it's like to stay here at Sahara in 2024, don't forget to check out my video that I will be putting out before this one. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. Thanks as always for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video because there's always more for us to show you on Show Me Vegas.